another day. It's the same day, I just put a hat on. I'm in the zone, auto zone. So we are tackling the exhaust. So we're gonna be putting on today. I have everything kind of made it up. And yeah, should be annoying to say the least, but we're in it. We're in it now. Fucking in it now. All right, so I thought I ran into a hiccup, but it's because I forgot to unpack this pipe here. I'll show you where it goes. Oh, it goes right here. So yeah, it goes right there. That's where the tailpipes hook onto. So I'm gonna secure this muffler, and then I'll do the X pipes, and then I'll do the other muffler, because I think that's normally the best way to fit it. So yeah, we'll do that. I gotta get the O2 sensors off of here, swap those over, and yeah. So yeah, I'm gonna do that. Need that. No gloves. Okay, so made great progress. I had to go to the auto parts store. So these bolts here that they provided are M10, so they're too fat, don't fit. That's what she said. So I had to go get M8 bolts, which I had some, but I needed to get some new nuts here to fit or to go onto the bolts. So I'll let those guys know that they need to get M8 bolts, not M10. But so everything's in here loosely fitted, so I haven't tightened down anything yet. Everything looks good, tucks in very nicely. One thing to note, which I'm gonna do, I did it on this side, but this little extra pipe here, you have to take that off first, so then you can get to that bolt back there to tighten it down. So I'm gonna take this off, tighten that down, and then all the other bolts I can get to. You see the valve system, the vacuum line there, and up here, all up here. So it'll go underneath the intake box here, and this is the valve thing. They gave me a new one that has the cool controller, so I'm gonna use that one instead of the old one. O2 sensors are back plugged in, so that was pretty easy. Yeah, so let me pull this off now. Of course it's not easy. Never just easy for me. Luckily, my girl is out here. She's been helping me so I don't drop another exhaust pipe on my face. Because I did do that the last time. I dropped a stock exhaust pipe on my face, which is like heavy as shit. Busted my lip. Alright, so then take these bad boys and hand tighten it real quick. And then so everything's pretty much 13 mils. Oops. So yeah, that should be good. So then the rest I can reach. I'm just gonna go around and tighten everything else up. Look at her, just hanging out, judging me. Next to her baby, Scarlett. But yeah, so far, looks good. No, like, you know, doesn't like sag down or nothing like that. So it tucks in very nicely. You know, we like it better tucked. That was stupid. All right, so this is back in, so you know what that means. I think I'm done. So things to note. Got the exhaust tips on. Like the staggered look. Love the polished lip. Look pretty even. Got IRL written on there. Check that out. So the last thing, so what you want to do is I started from tightening these on both sides first, and then I went to these on both sides, and then I left this bolt or this clamp with this pipe loose and then this loose. So I just, you know, kind of got the lined up and just, you know, kind of maneuver it so that it's, you know, get it to where I want it to be. Just take a little bit of finessing and stuff like that, but it's not bad. So all in all, install, it's pretty standard. I think I might hit these a little bit more. Let me see. Yeah, a little bit more. There we go. All right, so yeah, I think we can probably start this thing. Oh, shit. reaction from the missus. The stink bag.
I like it. I want to hear it on the road.
Yeah, I think hearing it on the road is going to be the ultimate test, you know, as you get up in the RPMs. But all in all, like the look, the fit and the finish is really good. I'll say 10 out of 10. A few things, like I said, I'm gonna tell them to put the other bolts in the kits so that when you guys order it, you get the right size bolts. This valve control box actually didn't work, so I gotta let them know that one didn't work. But luckily, I had the other one and that one worked. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Make sure when you put aftermarket exhaust, you take off this little bracket that mounts these things that holds the stock exhaust up. Take those off because it won't fit if you leave that on. But here's the old stuff, more old stuff. I gotta clean out my garage so I can get the cars back in and clean up my mess. But that's gonna be it for today's video. Catch you guys on the next one. This is my 4th video, pretty much. I think 3rd, 4th video in one day. But to you guys, it's gonna seem like I've been posting all week. Catch you guys later. Peace.